Today, we take Tesla full self-driving to a place it has never been pushed before. A closed course, no rules, no scripts, just raw reaction time and pure artificial intelligence. In our previous test, FSD survived mannequins moving objects and falling cargo. But today, the obstacles will not be stationary. Today, the obstacle will chase back. This is not just a car. It is a rolling supercomputer, a vehicle that sees in every direction at once. Cameras for eyes, a neural net for a brain, and code for instincts. But can software outsmart panic chaos and unpredictable human behavior? We are about to find out. FSD is enabled. The system takes control of acceleration braking and every turn of the steering wheel. For the next few minutes, the human becomes the passenger. Every decision belongs to the machine. And here comes trouble. A Ford Crown Victoria, the unofficial symbol of aggressive driving worldwide. It will tailgate cut off and confront the Tesla in ways no safe driver ever should. If FSD can handle this, it can handle anything. Our hands are off the wheel, feet off the pedals. No safety net, just readiness to intervene. This is a real challenge, a real test, and real risk. Most drivers panic when a vehicle sits inches from their bumper. FSD does not flinch. No sudden moves, no emotion, just pure calculation. And now the Crown Vic slices in front aggressively. And without warning, the Tesla reads the trajectory instantly, braking before a human would likely even react. Early, confident, controlled. No horn, no rage. Just logic and physics working together. A driver veering unexpectedly is one of the most common causes of collisions. The Tesla sees the threat and shifts away, choosing the safest path in a fraction of a second. This one impressed us. Before the Crown Vic even appears in the driver's view, FSD has already begun avoiding it, beating human reaction time decisively. The Tesla retreats to create distance. No panic, no jerking, just a controlled escape. Visibility is destroyed by tire smoke. Most humans would freeze, guess, or pray. FSD does neither, it calculates. But here is the flaw. The system is hesitant to leave the paved road, even when the safest option may be off it. Finally, it has no choice. Wheels dip into dirt. Traction changes. But the Tesla maintains control and composure. With no human assistance, it evaluates terrain angles and traction. Slowly, confidently, it returns to pavement. A self-rescue most drivers would struggle to imitate. A crucial test, emergency response. Police lights activate behind the Tesla, but with no siren, the car shows no reaction. This reveals something important. Tesla system prioritizes audio cues, the sound of sirens, to make emergency decisions. Hard braking ahead, zero warning. The Tesla responds instantly, its sensors working faster than nerves and adrenaline. Dozens of aggressive scenarios. Dozens of automatic evasions. The data is undeniable. Reaction time is no longer the weak point. But there is a bigger question. If the only safe escape is off-road, should the AI be allowed to go? Should a car be programmed to break the rules if it means saving a life? Today's test gave us answers, but it also raised the most important question yet about our autonomous future.